If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Tags in QuickBooks Online work much like categories do. Tags are custom labels you create that let you tag transactions. Tags are created within tag groups. Tag groups let you view useful totals and profit and loss reports for transactions tagged by the tags in the tag groups. Tags can only be applied to transactions, not list items or currently general journal entries or transfers. The usage limit of the number of tags and tag groups you can create is tied to your QuickBooks Online subscription level. You can apply multiple tags to each transaction. However, you may only apply one tag per tag group. To create tags and tag groups in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Tags command under the Lists heading in the drop-down menu to open the Tags page. To create a new tag group, click the New drop-down button at the right side of the page and then select the Tag Group command from the drop-down menu. In the Create New Group pane that appears at the right side of the window, type a name for the tag group into the Group Name field. Then use the drop-down to the right to select a color for the tag group. Then click the Save button to save the tag group. To then add tags to that group, type a tag name into the Tag Name field in the Add Tags to this group section of this pane, and click the adjacent Add button. Repeat this until you have added all the tags you want to the tag group. To finish, then click the Done button in the lower right corner of the pane. Alternatively, to create a tag, click the New drop-down button at the right side of the page, and then select the Tag command from the drop-down. In the Create New Tag pane that opens at the right side of the window, type the name of the new tag into the Tag Name field. Then use the Group drop-down to select the name of the tag group to which to add the new tag. If you don't select a tag group, the tag is considered part of the Ungrouped Tags group. To save the new tag, then click the Save button in the lower right corner of the pane. The tags and tag groups appear in the tags list in the Tags page. You can click the arrows next to the tag groups in the list to expand and collapse the tags within the tag groups. To manage the tags and tag groups, click a link in the Action column or click the drop-down arrow in the Action column and select a command for the tag or tag group to manage. For tag groups, actions include Run Report, Add Tag, Edit Group, and Delete Group. For tags, actions include Run Report, Edit Tag, and Delete Tag. To tag transactions, click into the Tags field within the desired transaction window. Then select the desired tag from the drop-down. Repeat for each tag group as needed. Alternatively, to add a tag on the fly, simply type the name of the tag into the Tag field in the transaction form, select it from the Add choice in the drop-down menu, and then follow the on-screen prompts to create the tag and add it to a group. You can also click the Manage Tags link by the Tags field in transaction forms to modify and add tags while entering or editing the transaction if needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.